For the love of God, do us a favour and please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Sawadee Krap. Hello. I did point the camera in, but one girl in there, she's quite saucy. Chatted with her already. Sick Buffalo. This is a good bar on the corner. It used to be called #1 bar. Soi Funny. Coming up now on the right is Soi LK Metro. Went in there the other night, went in 2 go-go bars, me and the Rab. I'm not a go-go man, I just went in to show him. He liked the first one, the second one he thought was the worst place he's ever been in his life. He's not interested in them, because in the second one they were like little piranhas chipping around you. I could handle it, he couldn't. And it's put him off going in another one. This one was alright. So on the left, that's Soi Chayapun. I've not been down there this time. The massage ladies on the right. Soi Diana on the right. The famous intersection. It's a bit quiet today. The left there, Soi Lenki. Where I'm staying down there, turn right. Just off Soi Lenki. Heading down Soi Buakhao. Cheap Charlie's on the left where we go for breakfast. Smoothie shop. I took my laundry to this lady in there, young girl. Done early the following day, quite reasonably priced, has come back smelling lovely. A few more bars, pharmacy. The Pattaya City Hospital on the left. Some little food stall selling various things. Sugarcane juice. I had some of that in Terminal 21, really nice. Beautiful, in fact. Lady selling flowers, a couple of massage ladies, flowers and bananas and that. Thank you. I'm going to take a right here down Soi 15. More massage shops. Smells nice, the tiger balm. Hello Ray, how are you? Hi video down the cab? Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, she said yes. She said yeah, and the other one said no. I was only going to ask him about food. So this is Soi Boomerang on the right. Still not been in any of them. Too dear for me. That's a smart picture. Play girl. Isn't it? Smart that. Mary Millington, Come Play With Me. It's a good film when he was a young lad growing up. It was too censored. But there is a version apparently. You can get online now where it's uncensored. I can't find it, I've looked for hours. No, I haven't. Right, we're down Soi 15 now. And a bit of advertising for Dynamite Bar, never been in. I'll tell a lie, me and Bob went in last trip, just popped our head round the door. And it was empty, and there was about 25 girls, shouted us over. So we just made our excuses and left. Beautiful girl over there on the left. This is a hideaway. Kevin Thailand used to vlog from there. Shooting into the sun, so it might be a bit silhouetted, this. Are we still recording? Yep. Little outdoor food area. It's alright, doesn't it? A bit hot sat under there though. Quite a busy little area, people passing through. I like looking at scenes like this. I know it's nothing really, but it is. It's interesting. It's more interesting than in streets in the UK, in Germany, Holland, America, or in the Western world. Far more interesting looking at street scenes like this. And this isn't a particularly interesting side. It's just how it is. I probably put this video up in one, just a bit of a walkthrough video. It's been a bit sarky at the beginning. I don't know if that's the right word, just messing about. What are you messing about? Stating the bleeding obvious. That's what I was doing. Stating the bleeding obvious. So, I'm going to go on the avenue, meet up with Harry, See if I can get him on video, but I don't think he will. And a few beer bars on the corner are alright for a late night drink, nice and cheap. So, lady waving at me. I'm going to talk to her. Sawadee krab. Thai video ได้ไหมครับ
Yeah.
ผมต้องการพูดภาษาไทยกับคุณครับ
Yes. พูดอะไรคะต้องการ
พู
พู
ด
ดอะไรคะ
คุณชอบกินอาหารไทยไหม
of course ฉันชอบกินอาหารไทยมากค่ะเพราะดิฉันเป็นคนไทยค่ะ
คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมครับ
พูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ค่ะได้นิดหน่อย
Okay, we speak English because it's easier for me. Okay. What are you doing today?
I'm working. I take care condo.
Oh, you clean, yeah?
No, I'm not cleaning.
Manager?
Check in and check out.
Oh, check in.
Yeah.
Which condo?
Grand Avenue.
Oh, I don't know.
Grand Avenue.
Oh, down
You
here.
walk past, yeah. Grand Avenue. And
So now you're having a break, yeah? A rest?
Yeah, I'm having a break to take a lunch.
Oh, what you กินอะไร
Noodle.
มานะ
Mama.
เผ็ดไหม
Yeah, เผ็ด spicy ต้มยำน้ำข้น
ผมกินเผ็ดนิดหน่อย
โอเค
Yeah, but
คุณชื่ออะไรคะ
ชื่อโอเวนครับชื่อโอเวน
Owen
เป็นคนอังกฤษ
โอเค Owen
มาจาก
Nice
แมน
to
เชส
meet
เตอ
you
ร์ Nice to meet you
Manchester, okay.
Oh yeah You like
Manchester it's not Liverpool
No Liverpool You speak good English
no I'm just like okay have a
Okay
good day.
Okay thank you bye bye She's a good English speaker Right Owen That's it So until whenever and a sweaty wherever over and out
ให้ยมนไม่มีอยู่